Hello, let's go inside the Fisher Island family fun home. So I'll show you the items that I need you to price. See if you can build them, want to build them. And I'll start with this piece here. It is a bench, and if you look at underneath, you can see it's hard to see because it's a dark stained oak, but there are cubbies underneath to store shoes. And we'll provide the leather for the top. So that would be the first item. And then as we come into the dining room, there are several built-in items. One is to coordinate with an aquarium company to build this aquarium. Again, it's a dark stained oak frame. In this bar area, the dark stained oak cabinets, one under the sink, and then this is a panel front for a wine cooler. This whole back buffet. We have the countertops. We're going to get the countertops from OppuStone, but this is, you can see, 2 drawers, continuous, no hardware, just a finger pull. And possibly see if you're able to build this, or maybe someone else that can also, is a burned oak wood frame for the antique river mirror. So basically oak that's cut with an antique mirror behind, so it looks like a river. Over here, these 2 bookcases are coming to us. They are bookcase doors, hidden doors, and they're coming unfinished, so they would be stained. And then we want to add a bookcase to match that will pop out from the wall. Let's go inside this first bedroom. Here you can see there's a continuous built-in with rift cut white oak and blue stains. So probably use lye or a white stain, maybe both. For this, it's a twin bed frame with haven't pinned down whether it's going to be storage or a pull-out bed underneath. A desk area and armoire, and that is just rift cut white oak with portions of it bleached and portions of it with a blue stain. In the second bedroom is an exact mirror image with the obvious difference of an orange stain instead of the blue stain. And in case you're wondering, separating the rooms, that's a product called Everblock. It is basically a Lego wall, and so it'll pick up on the colors of the wood. Go through the bookcase doors, and this should be a very fun piece to build. We have the dark oak bottom, which will all be drawers that pull out, and then the rift cut white oak, more of a mid-tone, with 2 reading nooks. And again, we'll provide the leather. This will be an orange leather from Spinneybeck. You can see storage in here, and then these will have little just finger reveals with storage inside, just shelving within that. So these will all be doors with shelving. There's no TV or anything like that. It is just storage. And then this base continues and becomes a planter. Get some better lighting. Becomes a planter underneath there. And again, the reading nook. So I'll step back. Maybe you can get a better view. There we go. So that is the one big piece. This is the fish tank in here. The bar, the buffet, furniture custom made for these 2 bedrooms. And I will go on to the next bedroom, kids' bedroom, where we need custom furniture and built-ins. So as you can see here, this is a custom-made full-size bunk bed with a gray stained wood, kind of a driftwood appearance. I need to fix that. But in here, this and that area are both supposed to be a white marker board laminate that we can provide. Over here, to get up to the bunk bed, there's a rock climbing wall, and then this is what I call the pillow pit with monkey bars, and so that's wood, and these 3 surfaces are all the white marker board laminate. If you have any questions, let me know, but this is basically a fun piece of furniture for the kids. To the side, this is kids' place for storage for clothes, so this will open up, just a finger reveal in the middle, and then this desk, which will have a white marker board laminate in here too, full height inside the desk, and then this piece with storage, and this top is a planter, and that's all out of the same wood, same stain. So quite a bit of furniture in here. And if you thought that was fun, wait until I show you this. Next kid's bedroom. In this kid's bedroom, again for 2 kids, you can see there are going to be 2 desks. This is bright white stain, white paint, not just the light bleach, but an actual white for the white oak, and with a gray stain in here for the desk. And then this is a bunk bed made to look like a house that will provide privacy for the kids. Storage, 3 storage drawers underneath. Bed on one side. And you can see here, this is lattice work, where they'll be able to hang things with binder clips, put up pictures, posters, anything like that. I don't think we need you to build that, but if you're able to, let me know. And similarly, this is a fence that separates the 2 kids' rooms so they have privacy. And let me know if you want to build this, or I can have someone else do it also. It's a tree bookshelf. so you can have some storage inside here and then set things on these branches. On this side, the opposite side of the bunk bed, again, storage, ladder up with a ballerina balance bar and a mirror. And the second level bunk bed above with the roof structure exposed, a little window. And on each side you probably saw some little shelves made to look like bushes. I was thinking that could be white oak with a green stain to it. With all this, ideally, if we use Woco products, we want no VOCs and a healthy construction, as always. If you have any questions, let me know. I think that does it for what I want you to build for the kids' bedroom. This is another hidden bookcase door where we'd like to stain it to match the other ones in the dining room. Now on to the master bedroom. So, I'll start with the bed. The concept for the bed is to have storage with the bench. Each one of these legs will have storage in it with a drawer that opens up from the bottom on each side, and then a door that opens up full height with hanging inside. So this is 2 feet by 1 foot, more or less. So you can stack hangers one on top of the other from the front to the back, or back to the front, however you want to put it. And same on the other side. So you'll have, again, just a little hidden reveal, minimal reveal, to be able to open it with the doors on this side. And then with this leg, a drawer on the narrow side that will pull out, and over here again another door, either with hanging or shelves in there, and that's the mid-tone oak. And on each side of here there's an inset to place items that you can reach from your bed. And then the other storage, again, will all be from the outside. It's just these little insets that you reach from this side. The lighting in there, I'm also showing a little light inside this nook. And I'll provide the leather for the head wall. The planter on top, and that's just one continuous piece of the wood, and we'll set the planter inside of it. So I just want to show you that piece so you get a good idea. And you can see if I really go in, a little light. When you're sitting in bed, you have a real pleasant canopy, and it also provides storage. Now, over here, whoops, sorry about that. You'll see a bookshelf at the end of the wall, and I have that as the dark oak or another wood, if you want to suggest it. The floors are burned oak that go from a black to kind of a mid-tone light color, and so I'm mainly picking up on those tones throughout the furniture. So you can see the mirror back with the bookshelves, storage. Then over here, drawers below with the planter box below the window. And you can see we already have the baseboards, so I can provide that to you, which matches the floor. And then a desk with the two tones, so you have the dark with the light drawers. And we'll probably put one big file cabinet and a small drawer on top on one side and a multiple drawers on the other, vice versa. For the simplicity of modeling, I'm showing them as the same right now. And that dark piece of wood goes all the way up to meet the bed. So it looks like one continuous piece. And I'm showing a pencil holder out of the same oak and shelves, just provide some fun. And the GC will probably coordinate this, but cork covering in the back, so you know how it's all going in. In case you're wondering why we have all this storage within the bed, that's because this right here is all that there is for the master closet. So this would be the darker wood with two finger reveals, his and her side. And I will open this up so you can see it better. There we go. So this is her side. This is a deep closet, so the doors that come out have storage within them. I'll start with this door. So there's a place to stack hanging clothes in here, and then shelves. I'm showing a dark edge here that's slightly raised so that things don't fall out when you open the door. And for this second hanging area, this will actually be a metal pull down so that you can reach it. Shelf, there's a rod right here, so hanging shirts and hanging dresses. And then shelves in here, drawers, I should say, sorry, drawers. Shelves on the inside of the door above the drawers, and shelves, two shelves up there. So that is her side. And then his side is very similar, with the difference being, there we go, that the top goes all the way across, and there are two rows. There are two rows of hanging. So you can see there's one here and then one up there. Of course, I'll provide all the drawings to you so you can actually build this. Other than that, it's the same. But since he doesn't need the area to hang a dress, I'm adding another rod for hanging. And this, just a little rod sticking out, is how it will be inside each one of those bed legs. So again, you can just hang one shirt on top of the other. And those are the main built-in items, custom furniture, that I'm looking at you for. And of course, I welcome your input, creativity, comments. This is just what I've designed, and this is the design intent. I'll go ahead and show you just so you can see some more of this. This is going into the master bath. So to his and her, what I call fire and ice yin yang door that we're having built. And then bathtub with the white marble and living wall on each side, gray marble for the other wall, and then black silestone, looks like marble, built-ins on each side with a white marble vanity. Shower, bathroom, and we might also have a little built-in to put in there just for some additional storage. If you have any questions, of course, please let me know. But there's the master, this kid's bedroom with 2 desks and the house-like bunk bed that provides privacy, the bushes on each side as shelves. And then the other kid's room, which has the desk, more storage, planter, and the bunk beds with the monkey bars, rock climbing, and pillow pit. Please forgive that. I just did that as I was working on tile in the kids' bathroom. And here, shoe storage bench. And now I'm glad I walked back through here because I forgot the most important thing, the kitchen. So this is the mid-tone oak. And I will send a separate video explaining the kitchen. But all of the oak built-in items we will need built. And these wood stackable shelves also need to be built out of the same wood to match the kitchen cabinets and a white marker board storage area. And now I think I've hit all the items that I'd like for you to see if you can build. And price, let me know the cost and time frame, and any feedback, of course, I welcome. Thank you.